Wiener Neustadt is a town about 50 kilometers south of Vienna. Its streets keep their medieval layout, though most buildings show the marks of later rebuilding and repair. Life here moves at an even pace, nothing is rushed, and nothing stands still. The Hauptplatz is where buses, taxis, and the weekly market intersect. On Fridays, the farmers' market fills the square on Hauptplatz. You can find here a variety of seasonal vegetables, fruits, cheeses, eggs, and fresh bread. At the center of the square stands the Mariensäule, a pillar dedicated to the Virgin Mary in gratitude for the town's survival through the 17th century plague and wars. Neunkirchner Straße is one of the main pedestrian streets in town. It runs south, lined with bakeries, cafes, and small grocers that keep daily life ticking. Wiener Straße runs the other way, toward the station, carrying the daily flow of commuters and students bound for Vienna. If you're passing through, pause for a while and watch the town carry on with its day. The clearest impression of Wiener Neustadt comes from the small moments often overlooked in everyday life.